Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to One2Step YouTube channel. And if you guys did not know, you can find your lost device using your Google account. If your lost device was linked with your Google account before it was lost, alright? You can't just find any device you want. It has to be linked with your Google account. So just keep that in mind. And I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do it. But before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future tutorial videos and guide videos just like this. And let's get straight to the video. Now first, you want to log in into your Google account on your Google Chrome. And once you have done that, you want to click on your profile picture over here. Once you click on your profile picture, you want to click on where it says manage your Google account. Click on it. Now once you click on manage your Google account, it's going to bring you over here. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says security. Click on security. Now once you click on security, you want to scroll down until you see your devices. So in your devices, it's going to show you all the devices in which your Google account is signed in. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says find a lost device over here. Click on find a lost device. And as you guys can see, these are the two devices which are linked with my Google account. So your device needs to be linked with your Google account. So just keep that in mind. You want to click on one of them which was lost. So let's say my Oppo A3 is lost, and by using find my device service, you can click on accept. Now over here, as you guys can see, Oppo A3 online but location is turned off, right? So over here you guys have three options. If I click on erase device, then my Google, everything on my device will be erased. All right, nothing is going to be left. That's one option. And the another is secure device. Lock device and sign out of Google account. You can also display a message or phone number on the lock screen. You can still locate the device after it's locked. So that's one thing. And play sound. Device will ring for 5 minutes even if set to silent. You see? So if I click on this, the device will just start to make random noise for 5 minutes straight up, even if it is in silent. So yeah, these are the way how you guys can locate your phone. And yeah, if your phone's, location is turned on, then you can even see it on your map. But right now my phone's location is turned off over here because it's right beside me. So yeah, it's not gonna work. And if you want to find another device, you can also skip over here just like this. That's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys can found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now, if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.